Cloud Speed is your gateway to AI and the cloud.
Okay, welcome back to Cloud Speed. So today's project will be a little bit different. I don't know if I should call it a project, but it's just going to be a test for the popular AI models we have out there. So the simple test for our AI models today is to develop a simple website or a simple web page. So the website will be a single page. There won't be any about page, any this page, or any that page, just one single page. And it's going to be just one single file. You are going to generate the code for the single file. So it's going to be an HTML file. This file will contain or will embed the scripts for the CSS and the JavaScript. It will embed the styles for the CSS and the JavaScript in the HTML file. So they won't be writing any separate JavaScript file, any separate CSS file. Everything will be on a single file, which will be the extension of HTML. Then they are also allowed to collect fonts from Google Fonts through URL or whatever those things are. So in this particular folder, I've created some images and I've given descriptions for the images for the AI to be able to use. So it's just in one folder, the images and then the HTML5. I think there are 6 images. Okay, maybe I could, I can't show you the images, but I gave descriptions for the images and the type of image it is, the resolution of the image as well. So these informations might be useful to the AI. And then I have just a single prompt. I'll be giving each AI model this single prompt, and then they should generate the HTML code for the web page according to the instructions given in this prompt. So the prompt is the same thing. I just want to see which AI would create something impressive in terms of responsiveness and functionality. We don't want too much functionality because we're not using framework, we are not using external libraries. Much of the external libraries, just simple, so like simple small functionality, and then mobile friendliness, the UI, the color selection. There is no limitation to the color, just create this thing. And then every other thing that has to do with web design or web development. AI models will be testing in this case are OpenAI, ChatGPT. Then we'll be testing Anthropic Claude. We'll be testing Google Gemini. We'll be testing XAI Grok. Then we'll be testing DeepSeek model as well. And we want to keep it simple. So we are not going to be using their pro models or their subscription models. We just want to go to the website, and we're not using API in this case. We just want to go to the website. We want to use the default model. We are not selecting any model. Just want to use the default model. Let's go to the prompt. Let me read the prompt for you. So this is the prompt for which will be given to our AI model for them to create a simple web page. So let me read the prompt for you. Create a simple self-contained HTML file for a simple landing page promoting an AI bootcamp run by an edtech and skill training company. The web page should represent a company named Let's Learn. Okay, I don't want any C's and disease later from anyone. I just came up with the name. So in case there's a company that does something similar that exists, please pardon me on that one. I just came up with the name. It wasn't I came up with the name um off the top of my head, so I wasn't trying to do anything suspicious or trying to promote anything. The page must be production ready with no further edits required. Okay, let me just go through it quickly. The key goals is audience, writing to both young students and adult learners. Message affordable, updates to up-to-date training that helps learners get up to speed with AI and succeed in future where AI is prevalent. Then the copy says write all text in your own words. Do not reuse mine. Then the image usage, which I told you there are about 6 images present in the same folder as the HTML file. So it's an instruction to them. So they just be aware to know how to include the image in the right directory. You already know where the directory is. It's the same directory as the HTML file. So the images, you have access to a set of images located in the same folder as this HTML file. You may use these images anywhere you see fit on the web page, e.g. hero section, features, testimonials, background visuals, or illustrations. You are not required to use all images. Use the images you deem fit, but you must evaluate them based on their resolution, content, colors to place them in the most effective, visually appealing way. You may also choose to not use some images if they do not add value to the design or disrupts the clean modern style. So those are for okay. Here are the available images and their description. So image one, just a team of human workers sitting around a workspace with general computer display. Background is mostly sky blue. So I give them major colors of the image, so just in case that will help. Then image two, an abstract artificial intelligence brain connecting with business services, mostly art background. Then image three, two gears connected, labeled workforce and reimagined. In a short PNG, futuristic human workforce at depth with access to visual AI through huge screens and computers, dark bluish with brown text. Then image 5, humans sitting in front of computers, one showing a visual meeting with colleagues, students, and the other showing a software terminal, mostly light pink, bluish, and harsh tones. Image says human interacting with AI on a transparent augmented framework, dark blue background. So the page requirements, only one file. Include all HTML, CSS, and JavaScript inline. Do not note that no external libraries. I think there's an error. Note that no external libraries. I could just as well fix it immediately. Note that no external libraries framework would be installed for this website. I simply want a page I can open and it will show up on my browser. My network is available, so it can reuse resources that will simply be called or run on any browser if needed. You can call Google Front and styles if needed. The sections for this simple web page would be the nav, the hero, the features, the testimonial, the FAQ, and then the footer. Call to actions must not navigate anywhere. We don't want any other page. We just want that simple page. We don't want any navigation. You click here, you go display some because that might complicate the whole thing. If buttons, links are present, they should have the href, which is just still pointing to the home page, or be buttons with no navigations. Provide realistic placeholder text, content, which is student names, codes, schedule highlights, pricing, so the page works without adding data. Highlight what participants will gain: skills, projects, career readiness, affordability, and that the curriculum stays current with AI trends. Visual styles, clean, modern, awesome, beautiful, but simple, responsive, mobile first, good spacing and hierarchy. Accessibility, semantic HTML5. Actually, we don't really care about the HTML format. Alternate text for images, sufficient color contrast, focus states, area where helpful. Performance, no external requests, use system fonts, lightweight, CSS, minimal JS only if necessary. You know what, use system fonts is not necessary. They can get Google fonts if they want. I think I stated it here somewhere else as well. Okay, let's continue. So it's not necessary. You can use Google Fonts, but you can just use the link to call it. And quality validates that the page looks good on mobile and desktop with it has to be mobile, it has to be responsive. Make it interactive and dynamic if possible, and very awesome UI. Ensure images only take the space they meant to take, so they don't disrupt the layout of the website. Then content specifics to include nav, logo text, let's learn AI again, please. Just a random company name I came up with. And anchor links that scroll to the sections of the same page. Hero, compelling headline, short sub headline, primary CTA button, and a short list of benefits. Testimonials, 3 to 4 short quotes with names, rows. Use placeholder avatars. FAQ 6 to 8 concise FAQs about schedule, prerequisites, the pricing, outcomes, certifications, and support. Footer, contact placeholders, non-navigating social icons, inline SVGs, and a simple copyright line. Deliverable, return exactly one complete HTML document ready to open in a browser. All code HTML must be in this single file. Decide where and how to provide images to enhance the landing page based on their content resolution and color. So those are just the instructions. So what we do, we simply go to the web app of the AI model we want to use, and then we paste this prompt, and it gets us the code. Then we paste the code into the HTML file, and then we run the HTML file, or rather we open the HTML file from a browser and see what it looks like. So I'll start with copying the code. So let me copy the code. Okay, so the first model I'll be using in this case is Gemini, just because I opened it in another tab. So we use Gemini in this case, we paste it, and then we prompt it. Now let's see what it gets for us. Okay, this is quite fast. So note, we don't expect to make any changes to the code given by the AI model. We won't be making any changes, but just in case the code had issues, it could not run. I don't know if that can happen, but just in case it cannot run, then in that case we have to find a way to resolve whatever issues and make it run, just so that we can at least see what the website or the web application or the web page looks like. Okay, now we have the web page. So you copy it, and then so I've opened a separate tabs for Visual Studio for each of the AI models. So we'll go to Gemini. Then yeah, over here we have the HTML file. So I already have something in the HTML file, so I just delete everything and paste the code from Gemini. Save it and you click on F5 to quickly run it. We open it in Chrome. So it's trying to open up. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, this looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Wow, this looks good actually. I'm impressed. Wow. Hmm. Wow, and it's kind of functional. Hmm. Okay, let's see this. Wow. Hmm. Wow. I'm wowed. I'm amazed. Looks good. So, let's close this tab for Gemini. That's not what it needs to do. We have to copy the prompt again. Okay, so let's go to the next model. Okay, we have Claude over here. So what we can do is we can just paste we can just paste the prompts on all the models at the same time. So paste for Claude while it tries to get us the code. We can go straight to DeepSeek and paste. Okay, we can as well go to Grok and paste it. Then let's go to OpenAI ChatGPT and paste it. So notice that I didn't select any model. I didn't try to make any optimization. I just went straight to the default models they have for free. So these are not paid plans. These are just the free plans they have accessible to by everybody. So I think so. Wow, did it? I think Claude is still generating the code. DeepSeek is still generating the code. Grok. Okay, looks like Grok is done with the code. Yeah, Grok is done with the code. So we'll try to locate the folder for Grok. Okay, here is it. Yeah, we'll look at the landing. So we delete what we have here, save it, and you click on F5 to run it. Select Chrome. All right, let's wait. Please come on. Hmm. Well, how come every single one of them is going for this whole bluish look? Is that the color for AI bootcamps or AI tutorials? But this look good. Looks good. Hmm. And it got the image is quite good enough. Career support, get career launch advance or advance your AI career. Hands-on and work on using AI projects to build possible stands out. Okay, what are learners say? Hmm. 12 weeks. No coding experience required. Hmm. I like this. This is good as well. This is good. 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 Master AI with Let's Learn AI Bootcamp. Unlock your potential with affordable cutting edge AI training designed for everyone. Learn in demand AI skills, build your work projects, prepare for an AI driven future. This is good as well. So let's go to the next one. So we can close the Grok tab. Let's see. Claude should be done. Okay, it looks like code was able to display the HTML files it generated. So what we can do is let's copy the code. We like to see it directly from our own display. So this is for Claude, who edits whatever it has here and who paste it. Save this and click on F5 to run it. That's what it looks like. Okay. Hmm. 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 This looks terrible. Yeah, it looks terrible. Looks terrible. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. This is awesome. This is the best I've seen so far. The footer is awesome. Yeah, but the hero section is terrible. So this is from Claude. So we can close this. So this is for DeepSeek. So we locate the, yeah, this is for DeepSeek. Close this, close this. We'll delete whatever we have here. Okay, let's run it. We use Chrome. Want to see it in full screen. Can see the images are extending over the screen, but this was very much okay. Yeah, I like this. Okay. I like this. Okay, what you learn, I like this as well. I gave you the resolution of the images. Come on, this is okay. This is okay. This is okay as well. Then this is awesome. Yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. But this is terrible. This is terrible. So let's go for the currently most popular AI model we have out there, ChatGPT. So we'll copy this and we'll locate the file for ChatGPT. So we'll delete whatever we have here currently, paste it, save it, and then you run it. It's F5. What can I say about this now? It's not good enough, but it's kind of average. I like this. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. Collaborative learning, practical AI skills, future ready curriculum. Learners love our bootcamp. For the one practical, this bootcamp gave me career confidence. Okay. This is okay. I like this. I like this. I like this. I think, okay, you know what we can do? We can we can score the various outputs from the AI models based on the sections. So for the section, for the hero section, of course, Claude is out already. So before we do that, let's check them out in terms of the mobile responsiveness. How responsive are they? This is not very responsive. Let's use um, we use the same mobile type for both. So we use iPhone XR for every single one. So for this, looks terrible. Looks terrible. So we'll go to, this is for OpenAI ChatGPT. So this is for DeepSeek. iPhone XR. Wow, 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 wow. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. That is for DeepSeek. So we go for Claude. For next arrow. This is okay. This doesn't go. This is okay. I think Claude is the best for the nav and the hero section, except this nav is not showing up. Claude is the best for the hero section when it comes to mobile. As well, this is okay. As well, this is okay. Yeah. Claude is completely okay when it comes to mobile. So this is for Grok. Yeah, this is perfect. Except it doesn't have any nav over here. This is perfect. This is perfect. Okay. XR. Wow, this is awesome. 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 Let's see. Yeah, it showed up. At least it showed up. So in terms of the nav for mobile responsive, it's DeepSeek. DeepSeek has the best nav for the mobile. So in terms of the hero section, I don't know, just a lot to compare. In terms of the hero section, for the hero section, both nav and everything, I'll give it to Gemini. DeepSeek did a good job as well. Claude did a good job as well. ChatGPT did a terrible job. Grok did a good job. Yeah, hero section, I'll give it to Gemini. OpenAI was the only terrible. And also for navigation, OpenAI is terrible too. Let's use this for navigation. OpenAI is terrible as well. So let's go for the features section. So this is Grok. This is good. Gemini did a good job as well, except the image. They should all be the same size, just like it was used there on Grok. So I'll give it to Grok. And we are not even looking at the text, but that's not the point. Text can always be modified. Claude did a good job as well. DeepSeek did a terrible job. And OpenAI did a terrible job. Terrible. Terrible. So let's move on to this is Gemini. Let's move on to the testimonial. Gemini did a good job. Grok did a good job. Claude did a good job. DeepSeek did a good job. ChatGPT, OpenAI did a terrible job in terms of, okay, it's good as well, but it's not very mobile responsive. So what I want to do now is to take one more look at them, and then I'll give my top 3. Okay, I'll take one more look at them, and I'll give my top 3 in terms of ratings. This is Grok. This is good. This is Claude. Terrible. Terrible. There's no balance here. This is DeepSeek. Not very good. Not very good. This is good. This is good. And this is good. This is good. Okay, this is OpenAI. This is okay. And this is not very good. I could say OpenAI has the best footer. I could say. Okay, based on this, I would say from my own opinion, from my own perspective, in terms of everything, the mobile responsiveness, the UI, I'm not looking at the contents of the text. I'm talking about the way everything was arranged, both images, the structure, the colors, and the fonts. My top 3 picks are in this order. Gemini is the best. So let's take a look at Gemini. I like the consistency in colors and everything. This looks good. Looks good. Except it doesn't have a mobile nav. Let's refresh this. Yeah, it has a mobile nav. Doesn't have the best mobile nav, but this looks good enough. So Gemini comes first, then Grok comes second. Let's look at Grok. This is good. This is good. This is good. Not the best footer, but it's manageable. Then I have to give it to DeepSeek. DeepSeek comes third. This is not the best. This is not the best, but looks good enough. This is not the best, but looks good enough. So this is good enough. The footer is awesome. So those are my top 3 picks: Gemini, Grok, and DeepSeek. So okay, as we're always doing in this channel, I give you access to the code base, I give you access to the images, I'll give you access to the prompts, and I'll give you access to the code generated by the AI models. You can always use them to check out the page on your own. You can use the prompts to try out this test on your own. And you know what? Let me hear what you think on the comment section. Which of them do you think is better in terms of everything relating to software and website development? Which do you think is better? And did you try this on your own? What was the outcome? Which performed better for you? Thank you. And if you have access to the pro subscription for these AI models, you can let me know in the comment section which of them works best for you and which of them you think is better in terms of software development and website design and everything that has to do with websites or web pages. Thank you. And please subscribe, smash that subscribe button so you can stay with us as we continue building, evaluating, and using AI. Thank you.
CloudSpeed is your gateway to AI and the cloud. We make videos showing you the latest in tech, and we break down the real-world use cases. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.